Dear students, in last video we have completed some problems related to implicit function. The problems were of show that type, and also in this video some 2 or 3 problems are remaining. We will continue these problems. Okay, these problems are very important and the problems are asked for number of times for the board exam. Okay, so take down just like that problem, that is the show that type problem. If x raised to y equal to e raised to x minus y, then show that dy by dx equal to log of x upon 1 plus log of x whole square. Okay, so here the function is given, that is x raised to y equal to e raised to x minus y. The function is complicated. To simplify it, taking logs on both sides. Okay, now log of x raised to y equal to log of e raised to x minus y. By using rules of logarithm, that is log of m raised to n formula, this is equal to n into log of m. Okay students, therefore by using the this formula, this will be y into log of x equal to x minus y into log of e. You know the value of log of e is 1. Okay, and that's why y log of x equal to x minus y. This is your function that we have to differentiate. So differentiate 1 with respect to x. Okay, here log of e is 1. Now students, differentiate with respect to x. Here y into log of x. So y is constant. Differentiation of log of x with respect to x plus log of x is constant. Differentiation of y with respect to x equal to differentiation of x with respect to x minus differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, now this is equal to y as a constant, differentiation of log of x by formula, that is 1 upon x, therefore that is y upon x, plus log of x is constant, differentiation of y with respect to x is as it is, that is dy by dx. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus dy by dx. Okay, now collect the term containing dy by dx at one side. So shift this dy by dx to LHS. We get log of x into dy by dx plus dy by dx. And this is equal to 1 minus y upon x. Now this is equal to common out log dy by dx. We get dy by dx, that is 1 plus log of x, and this is x minus y upon x. Okay, and now this is equal to dy by dx equal to x minus y upon x. Shift this term to that side, that is 1 plus log of x. Actually, this is dy by dx. Okay, students. But what we have to show? We have to show that dy by dx equal to log of x upon 1 plus x whole square. This we have to prove. So now we have dy by dx. Okay. Now dy by dx equal to x minus y upon x into 1 plus log of x. So adjust the terms so that we will get at last this is log of x upon 1 plus log of x whole square. Okay, students. So from 1 what is y into log of x equal to x minus y. Y into log of x equal to x minus y. Suppose we put the value here, we get this is equal to dy by dx equal to x minus y. From here, see students, y we have the statement 1. What is the statement 1? This is your statement 1. That is y log of x equal to x minus y. From this statement, we can write y log of x plus y equal to x. Common out y, we get 1 plus log x equal to x. So here, that is, we can put the value of x, okay, here. Therefore, x minus y upon x into 1 plus log of x. Okay, students? And hence, we can put the value of x from this. Okay, and this is equal to x minus y upon y into 1 plus log x. This is the value of x and 1 plus log x. And students, this is equal to x minus y upon y into 1 plus log of x whole square. Okay. Now we have to make adjustment, that is x minus y upon y. Now put the value here. So that is, again, see students, y log of x equal to x minus y. Y log of x equal to x minus y. The value of x minus y now we can put from this. Value of x minus y, that is at numerator, this is the value we put here, and that is x minus y equal to y log of x upon y into 1 plus log of x whole square. And now y get cancelled. Dy by dx equal to log of x upon 1 plus log of x whole square. Okay, students, in this way we have proved the problem. Okay, now take down the next one. The next problem is, take down, if y equal to square root of cos of x plus square root of cos of x plus square root of cos of x plus dash 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 up to infinity. Then show that dy by dx equal to, dy by dx equal to sine of x upon 1 minus 2y. Okay, so thus because of square root, the function is complicated. But if we simplify it, then it is very easy problem. So now squaring on both side, we get y square equal to, squaring on both side we get the square root at RHS get cancelled, and that is cos of x, plus square root of cos x plus square root of cos x plus square root of cos x plus dash 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 up to infinity. Means if you observe that, then this is the value of y again. This is the value of y. This is the value of y. Okay. Therefore, now we have y square equal to cos x plus y. Okay, students. This is the value of y. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Now this is equal to differentiation of y square. Differentiation of y square with respect to x. Differentiation of cos x with respect to x plus differentiation of y with respect to x. And this is differentiation of y square is 2y. Again y with respect to x, dy by dx. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x and plus dy by dx is as it is. Okay. And now collect the term containing dy by dx. At one side we get 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx equal to minus cos of x. Okay. Now common out dy by dx at LHS. We get dy by dx into 2y minus 1 equal to minus cos x. Now dy by dx equal to, now shift the term to that side that becomes, that is divide by dy by dx equal to minus cos x upon 2y minus 1. Okay. But differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Sorry. Correct here, students. Please correct here. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Please correct this thing. Okay. Minus sin x. But here sin x upon that we have to prove sin x upon 1 minus 2y. If you take the negative sign, if we common out negative sign, then here we get minus sin x upon, common out the negative sign, here 1 minus 2y. Okay, students, we have common out the negative sign here. Minus minus becomes plus, and hence dy by dx equal to sin x upon 1 minus 2y. In this way, this is the proof of given problem. Okay. Now again there is the same problem is there. So solve the problem for homework as a homework, that is, if y equal to square root of log of x plus square root of log of x plus square root of log of x plus dash 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 up to infinity, then show that dy by dx equal to 1 upon x into 2y minus 1. This is the problem for homework. This is the problem for homework. Okay, students. So here squaring on both sides, you will get y equal to log of x plus y and differentiate. Okay, this is the hint for this problem. Please try to solve the problem. Okay, now the next one is if if square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 minus y square equal to a into x minus y, then show that dy by dx equal to square root of 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. Okay students, let us see what is given. We have given that square root of 1 minus x square plus square root of 1 minus y square, and this is equal to a into x minus y. Okay, so for our convenience, this is slight different type of problem. By using different method, by using slightly different type of adjustment, we have to solve the problem. Okay. So what is that adjustment? So students, put x equal to sin alpha, y equal to sin beta, Here we get 1 minus sin square alpha plus 1 minus sin square beta equal to a into sin alpha minus sin beta. Okay. So here 1 minus sin square alpha is cos square alpha, square root of cos square alpha is cos alpha. 1 minus sin square beta is cos square beta, and square root of cos square beta is cos beta. And this is alpha into sin alpha minus sin beta. Okay students, so here this is cos alpha plus cos beta. You know formula for cos C plus cos D. What is the formula for cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D. This is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. This is the formula for LHS, and for RHS. For our RHS, we know the formula. For RHS, we know the formula, that is 2 sin alpha, that is 2 sin A minus sin B. This is equal to that is sin alpha minus sin beta means sin A minus sin B. This is, that is 2 cos A plus B upon 2 into sin of A minus B upon 2. This is formula for RHS. Okay students, so therefore our equation 1 that becomes cos alpha plus cos beta, that is 2 cos alpha plus beta upon 2 into sin of alpha into cos of alpha minus beta upon 2. This is cos C plus cos D formula, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos of C minus D by 2. So instead of C and D, there is alpha beta, 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos of alpha minus beta by 2. And this is equal to sin alpha minus sin beta. This is equal to 2a cos of alpha plus beta upon 2 into sine of alpha minus beta upon 2. Okay. So cos alpha plus beta by 2, cos alpha plus beta by 2 get cancel on both sides. 2 cancel on from both sides, and now we have cos of alpha minus beta upon 2 equal to sine of alpha minus beta upon 2. Okay. And now into a sine alpha minus beta upon 2. Now shift this term to that side, we get this is equal to a equal to cos alpha minus beta upon 2 divided by sine of alpha minus beta upon 2, and this implies a equal to cot of alpha minus beta upon 2. This is equal to, okay. And now this is a equal to cot of alpha minus beta upon 2. Okay. Now shift this cot to that side, we get cot inverse of a equal to alpha minus beta upon 2. Okay. And now this is equal to alpha minus beta. This is equal to alpha minus beta equal to 2 into cot inverse of a. So what is the value of alpha? So we have x equal to sine alpha and y equal to sine beta. We have substituted, and therefore alpha equal to sine inverse of x and beta equal to sine inverse of y. So put the values here, we get what is the value of alpha? Alpha is sine inverse of x minus value of beta is sine inverse of y equal to 2 into cot inverse of a. This is the simplification. And now to get our proof, required proof, now differentiate. Now differentiate, we get differentiation of sine inverse of x, that is differentiation of sine inverse of x with respect to x minus differentiation of sine inverse of y with respect to x equal to differentiation of 2 cot inverse of a with respect to x. So differentiation is square root of 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square minus differentiation of y is 1 upon square root of 1 minus y square, and differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. This is total constant term, its differentiation is 0, and that's why dy by dx equal to 1 upon, that is dy by dx into 1 upon square root of 1 minus y square equal to 1 upon square root of 1 minus x square. This implies dy by dx equal to, this implies dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to square root of 1 minus y square upon square root of 1 minus x square. Hence the proof. Okay students, in this way we have completed the proof like this, and then these are the some typical problems in which the different type of adjustment is there, and after get practicing, so too much practice is necessary, and when you do so much practice, then and then you can solve the problems like this. Okay, so take down the homework. That is, if this is the homework problem, please try to solve the problem. If e raised to y equal to y raised to x, then show that dy by dx equal to log of y whole square upon log of y minus 1. Okay, please try to solve this problem. Then the next one is, if log to the base 5 x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 upon x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4 equal to 2, then show that dy by dx equal to minus 12 x raised to 3 upon 13 y raised to 3. Okay, so students, please try to solve these problems, and also I have already given you one problem. Also complete these problems. If you have any difficulty, then ask me. Again, take one more example that is also very easy, but for practice, take down tan of x equal to square root of tan of x plus square root of tan of x plus dash 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 up to infinity equal to y. Then show that dy by dx equal to sec square x upon 2y minus 1. Here squaring on both sides, you should get y square equal to, this square root get cancelled, and you will get y square equal to tan x plus square root of this value. Again, this is the value of y, and that is y square equal to tan x plus y. Differentiate, you will get the answer. For this problem, the hint is that by using the formula log of m to the base a equal to b, this implies a raised to b equal to m. By using this, convert. Here this is a, this is m, and this is b. So this is 5 raised to 2 equal to m. Differentiate, you will get. Okay, and here taking logs on both sides, adjustment is there, you will get the required answer. In this way, you have to solve the problems. Please try to solve, because these problems are very important according to the HSC board exam. Please solve. Okay, and now we will stop here. Thank you.